there, I'm Kim from sunny Arizona.
And I'm Kara from vibrant Atlanta, Georgia. Welcome to our channel, the Kara and Kim Live Podcast.
We're both seasoned realtors with a passion for all things real estate. From market trends to insider tips, we're here to guide you through the journey of buying and selling homes.
But that's not all. We'll also take you on a journey getting to know various small business owners.
Whether you're a first-time home buyer, need more space for your growing family, or just curious about the market in Phoenix, Arizona,
or a seasoned investor, or you're looking for insights about the Metro Atlanta area, we've got you covered.
Our podcast is designed to be informative, engaging, and a bit fun too.
We love interacting with our listeners, so don't hesitate to reach out with your questions or topics that you'd like us to explore.
Subscribe to our channel and join us on this exciting journey. New episodes will be coming your way regularly, filled with fresh content and expert advice.
So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's do a deep dive into the world of real estate together. Welcome to the Kara and Kim Podcast.
Hi, Kara. How are you today?
I'm doing fantastic, Kim. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks.
All right. So, the elephant in the room.
The key part to a transaction.
Yes. So, clients are facing challenges getting mortgages. Have you encountered similar issues?
Absolutely. So low credit scores often come up. That's probably one of the biggest challenges that I see. I advise my clients to pay their bills on time, reduce their debts, and avoid new credit lines. Don't go buy a car in the middle of trying to buy a house. Building good credit takes time, but it does pay off. So just have patience and trust the system. It will work out.
Yep. So another concern is down payments. How can you advise clients to tackle this challenge?
So one of the starting points is we explore down payment assistance programs with a lender. Obviously, I'm not a professional when it comes to mortgages, but I have professionals that I work with, I partner with. So they have a lot of programs that could be available. We discuss budgeting strategies, and they discuss a lot more of that in detail with their lender. Many clients aren't aware that there are available options. So educating them is crucial, and most of my lender partners are of the same mindset as me, so they want to also educate our clients. The more they know, the better equipped and prepared they are.
Absolutely. We've got some special programs in-house with our loan partners. But one of the things that is very important for buyers to understand is their employment history and how that can pop up as an obstacle or a concern. So how do you address that?
So, as you said, job stability is key. I advise my clients to maintain steady employment. If they've recently changed jobs, if they are transitioning from a part-time job to a full-time job, if they're transitioning into a job that has overtime, it's just being prepared with all the documentation. It's very, very important. And don't bounce around from one job to the next. I know one of the things that the lenders will look for is staying in the same line of work. So if you're a car mechanic, then you can work a couple of different companies in that same industry. That's still okay. But these are conversations that you'll want to have with the lender. Maintaining stable employment is very, very important.
Great point. Stability is a very important factor that ultimately the lenders will look at. And so now life happens. So if you have had to make a change, please alert us as soon as possible so that we can strategize how to overcome that particular challenge. So this is a personal struggle that I'm presently dealing with as a self-employed individual. You've heard them many times. I've wanted to knock my head into the table, but
understandably,
yep. Just getting a mortgage as a self-employed person is a different beast. So how do you advise clients who are struggling to prove that they have stable income?
So yes, as you said, self-employed individuals definitely face unique challenges. Providing detailed financial records and working with a lender that's familiar with self-employed intricacies is beneficial.
Right. So existing debts is another challenge that came up. How do you guide your clients with that particular issue?
So when lenders are determining your credibility to get a loan, they consider your debt to income ratios. I recommend paying down debts to improve the ratio, increasing the chances of mortgage approval. However, when you're talking to a mortgage lender, they can tell you which debts are most important to pay off. It might be pay this credit card down a little bit or pay this off completely. They can determine what's going to make the most impact. So, talking with your lender is key.
Absolutely. I think it's really important to speak with your lender before making any decisions once we're already actively in the process or we're preparing to do so, because they will look
Definitely.
at your individual situation and give tailored advice that is specific to you. So if you decide to lean on your own understanding and you make a decision that is not in your benefit, and one, you can't undo it, and two, you've already dispatched that cash, sometimes it's something you can't really recover from as easily. So, talking with them before making any financial decisions, and sometimes you can even decide to pay things out at the closing table that can have a greater impact on the positive side for you as a buyer. Do you have any tips for clients with a regular income, maybe like me, or other freelancers?
Yes, for those with irregular income, I stress the need for solid financial strategy. Demonstrating consistent savings and the ability to cover monthly expenses, even with variable income, strengthens your mortgage application. So the lender is looking for the confidence that they know you're going to be able to repay this loan. And that's what they're looking for. So they want to see the consistency in you maintaining your irregular income to still maintain your lifestyle.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing these bits of wisdom. Being well prepared to guide our clients through these common mortgage challenges is essential.
Absolutely, Kara. It's all about helping them navigate the process successfully.
Okay. And that concludes today's episode, guys. Thank you so much to our supporters for joining us on this real estate journey. But please remember, being informed is key in making sound decisions. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy home hunting.
Indeed. Stay tuned for more insights on the next episode.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye.